I want to put to the nominee that in 2011, the year 2011, when you were the CBK governor, Professor Ndung'U, Parliament investigated you for collusion with commercial banks to weaken the Kenya shilling, which became the worst performing currency in the world then. Your failure to protect the shilling, coupled with your monetary policies, saw massive repatriation of US dollars from Kenya to money markets which collapsed the money market in the Kenyan territory, the Kenyan shilling. Even a Reuters, this survey, named you as one of the least effective bankers in Africa. With all these failures, what makes you so attractive to preside over Kenya's economy during even these harder times? And also, there is the issue of the collapsed Imperial Bank, Professor. The shareholders revealed in court filings that your spouse, Nancy Ndung'U, exhorted the then managing director of the bank, the late Abdul Malik Jan Mohammed. The bank paid for a holiday in a luxurious hotel in Thailand. When these things came to light, you were in a hurry to liquidate the bank and cover up your role. That's the accusation they're saying in court. What's your response to that? And lastly, since you left the CBK, Professor, things have changed in this country. There was the new constitution that came in place, and the budget making process was taken to Parliament. Parliament is the one that, through the Budget and Appropriation Committee, is the one that looks into the budget of the country. We have had scenarios before, people who occupied the office before you, that office you are seeking, that who are forcing Parliament without listening to the parliamentary budget department, forcing Parliament to do things in a certain way which have become counterproductive. And they want Parliament to rubber stamp everything that they prepare at the Treasury. What's your take? What is the role of Parliament in the budget making process? Thank you.